And this is by far the easiest way to get this set up, a virtual private server. And it's also very cost efficient. So the one that we use here, a virtual private server, you're basically renting a computer from someone else. And so we are using a company called Hostinger. We can rent a computer from them for very low cost. And they also help us to set up our OpenClaw in just a couple of clicks here. So if you want to follow along in this video and have an easy way to set it up, I will leave a link to Hostinger down below in the description, and you'll get a 10% discount code as well when you go through that link and sign up for creating your OpenClaw through there. So go ahead, click on that and follow along here as I show you how to set this up. Now, once you're on this page, all we have to do is click on Get Started, and we have a couple of different options for setting up our OpenClaw. We have KVM 1, 2, 4, and 8. This is really just the compute power. So for most people, if you're just getting started with setting up your own assistant here, most people are going to be okay with just like the KVM 1 or KVM 2 plans. But I definitely know, if you have a lot of compute power and you need to do a lot of tasks working around the clock, then you might want to go with some of these higher, better plans that have a lot more RAM and a lot more compute power for the projects you might be doing. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the KVM2 option here. So I'm just going to click on Choose Plan. Okay, and now we have options for the type of plan that we're looking for. Now, some people might want 24 months, others might want 12 months. You will get a discount code here. It is Santrell 10. You can type that in and you can apply it and you'll save some money there. We got you guys that special deal. So those are your options if you want 12 months or 24 months. The 1 month plan, you're not going to get that discount code. So I'll let you decide which plan is going to be best for you. Now, we have other things as well that we might want to look into. I suggest leaving this box checked here. This is ready to use AI. Now, I don't want to confuse you here because this is a beginner's tutorial, but essentially an OpenClaw has to connect to some type of AI platform like Anthropic or Grok or OpenAI, where it's actually getting that compute from, or where it's getting that brain from. There's kind of the body and the brain. So Hostinger is the body, they're the computer, and then the brain is going to be one of these LLMs that's going to set up your OpenClaw and run your OpenClaw. And so if you leave this box checked, you'll get some credits here, and this will just automatically connect to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, XAI, and it's just ready to use out of the box for you. So it's going to be a lot easier not having to connect tons of APIs when you select that box there. And then instant web scraping as well is also free. So we're going to check that. And then if you want your AI or your OpenClaw to have a dedicated email, I think this is pretty cool. It's only 49 cents a month here, so you can select that as well. If you want people or yourself to be able to email and talk to your OpenClaw that way, it's a pretty cool option. And then having things like daily backups, server location, I would suggest sticking with one that is nearest to you to have the best latency. So once you select all of these, we can go ahead, click on continue, create our account.